Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the trend tracker indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the trend tracker indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 78 indicators, and out of those 78 indicators, 24 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best two so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 24 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the trend tracker indicator. Before we get into today's indicator though, I just wanted to throw out there, I know at the beginning of every video I say, hey, join our Discord server, blah, 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 right? But honestly, everybody, if you're watching this, join our Discord server. If you don't know what Discord is, basically it's like a giant group chat, right? And so we have a really good group of people already in there, and we are having really good conversations about the different indicators that we're testing and different indicators as far as like ideas for different indicators that we should be testing, and indicators on different settings and so on. It's a really good group, and there's a lot of benefit to it, and it's absolutely free. It's basically just everybody being able to talk in real time and ask questions and answer questions and share ideas. And so, yeah, if you haven't joined our Discord server yet, click the link down below in the description for our Discord server. Sign up. It's super simple. It's all free. It costs you nothing, but the information that you get could be absolutely priceless. And so, all right, now that all that is out of the way, like I said, once again, trend tracker is today's indicator. It is a TradingView member created indicator, and so there will be a link down below in the description to this particular indicator. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It actually, I know you can't see any at the moment, boom, 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 but it actually gives entries, signals into where to trade it. Yeah, I mean, pretty simple. It says, go short here, go long there. Well, actually, it says entry, potential entry, and it will be red for a short, and potential entry, and it will be green for a long. And so, yeah, pretty simple, like I said. And so that's how we are going to test it today. Now, I know just from looking back on this, it is very likely that it is going to give very few signals. It's not going to give a lot of signals. Just like I said, just setting this up. There we go. There is a potential entry right there. And it did get us into the take profit. All right. And so like I was saying, I don't think this is going to get a lot of signals. just whenever I was setting it up and kind of scrolling back into the time frame, well, now it's making a liar out of me. It's getting a few signals, and so we will continue pushing forward with it here. But what I was saying was it didn't look like it was going to give too many signals, and so I was going to test it with its signal service, I guess you could call it. Like when it says to go, then go. And if that wasn't giving very many signals, I was actually going to test it another way. But it seems to be acting a little bit different than it appeared it was going to when I was just kind of scrolling back and looking and setting up the video. So we'll keep plugging along with it here. So far, so good. I mean, it's given us 3 signals, and all of them were winning signals. And so you can't complain about that too much. And there is, boom, another signal there. So we're about midway through the year now. Yeah, not a lot of signals, but definitely more than I thought there would be. And so, yeah, it's doing really well so far. We've had nothing but winners. And so we will just keep trucking along here and seeing what else this trend tracker indicator can give us. There is another signal there and another win. So far they have all been long signals, no shorts yet. And so there was another one there. Boom. There did we get, let's see, right at 97. What is, yeah. And another winning signal there. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. This thing seems to be doing really good. It seems to be missing a lot of the downtrend, though. It's kind of strange. Oop. All right, so right here would have been the first losing trade. That's always good. I know we don't want losing trades, but the thing is, when we're testing an indicator, you know, you got to kind of be suspicious at a certain point if it's giving nothing but winning signals over and over and over. Might be an indication that it is a repainting indicator or something fishy is going on. And so, just my opinion. But yeah, like I was saying, it doesn't seem to be catching any of the downtrend. It seems to be just throwing out longs. There's definitely some downtrend taking place. It just doesn't seem to be displaying them. Oops, I overshot the year there. Look down, I'm in February. I was kind of just watching this thing go. It's a pretty cool indicator. I've never played with it before, and so, all right, yeah, there you go. I guess we don't really need to necessarily add them up to know that we are definitely in the green on this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 signals, and 7 of them were winners. So, yeah, it's kind of interesting. I'm kind of surprised, like I said, that it wasn't calling any shorts anywhere throughout this. And so I don't know. Like I said, I've never played with this before. I might after the video just hit play and let this thing play out for a while and see if it throws off any shorts at all. I can't imagine that that it's set up to only give long signals, but you never know. The creator didn't say anything about just long signals. I definitely seen red potential entries whenever I scroll back, and so yeah, interesting, but nonetheless, really solid indicator. If we could man, it, sometimes there is some drawback, and the drawback is it was missing a lot of these short trends. That really is a shame that it wasn't able to pick up on some of these short trends, because if it was able to have the same accuracy on these short trends as it was on these long trends, man, this thing would have been a killer indicator. But I mean, even at 8 trades in a year, that's not horrible. Definitely isn't like 2 or 3, and so you figure you put that, layer that across all the available pairs out there that there are to trade in Forex, and that would probably keep you pretty busy, knocking out some trades and knocking out some profitable trades from what I can see. So, all right, everybody, there you have it. Another really solid indicator. That's surprising. I just kind of picked it out of the blue. It sounded cool, so I figured, why not? So, yeah, there you have it. We'll move on to the next indicator from here, and see you on that video. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.